Hello, everyone. Welcome to Snack English, where we learn English in an easy and fun way. I am Adam.
And I am Sarah. Hello, everyone. We are very happy to see you today.
In this podcast, we speak slowly. We use easy words. We help you learn real English for your real life.
Today, we have a very special episode. We are talking about the beautiful month of Ramadan.
In Ramadan, you meet friends from America, England, or other places. Sometimes they ask you many questions.
Yes, they ask, why do you not eat food? Or, can you drink water?
Today, we will teach you the answers. We will teach you easy English to use every day in Ramadan.
You will learn how to explain fasting to a friend who is not Muslim.
You will learn how to say no to food politely. For example, no thank you, I am fasting.
You will learn how to invite your friend to eat iftar with you.
And you will learn how to talk about your body, how to say you are tired but your heart is happy.
These are real conversations. You can learn them today and use them today.
Before we begin, my friends, please do two small things for us.
First, if you think this video is good and helpful, please click the like button.
And subscribe to our channel. Join our Snack English family so you can learn English with us every day. So, Sarah, let's start with the first problem in Ramadan.
What is the first problem, Adam?
Imagine this. You go to your office. You sit at your desk. You are very hungry.
Okay, I am at work and I am hungry.
Then a man comes to you. He is your co-worker.
Adam, what does coworker mean?
This means a person who works with you in the same office or company.
Okay, so my coworker comes to my desk. What does he want?
He wants to be nice. He has a big box of hot pizza. It smells amazing. He smiles and he wants to offer you some pizza.
Wait, what does offer mean?
This means to ask someone politely if they want food, a drink, or help.
Ah, I understand. He offers me the pizza. He says, Sarah, do you want a slice?
Yes. What do you say? You cannot say yes.
No, I cannot eat it, but I feel shy. I don't want to be bad. Do I say, go away, I am Muslim?
No, Sarah, that is not polite. You must smile. You must say, thank you so much. That is very kind, but I am fasting.
Thank you so much. That is very kind, but I am fasting. That is very easy.
Yes. Let's practice. I am the coworker. I have a hot cup of coffee. Hello, Sarah. I bought this coffee for you.
Oh, thank you so much, Adam. That is very kind, but I am fasting.
Perfect. You said no, but you were very nice. Now the coworker will look at you. He will be surprised. He will ask, fasting?
What do I say now?
Now we are in the second situation. You must explain fasting to a person who is not Muslim.
Okay, I must explain fasting. How do I do that? Do I read a big book to him?
No, keep it very simple. You say, I am Muslim. This is the month of Ramadan. We do not eat food and we do not drink water.
Do I say no water? Foreigners always get shocked by the water.
Yes, they always say, not even water? You say, yes, no water, from sunrise to sunset.
Wait, what does sunrise mean?
This means the time in the early morning when the sun comes up and the day begins.
And what does sunset mean?
This means the time in the evening when the sun goes down and the sky gets dark.
Okay, No food and no water from sunrise to sunset. That is very clear. But Adam, what if he asks why?
That is a very good question. If he asks why, you tell him two simple things. Number one, we do it to remember the poor people.
Wait, what does poor mean?
This means people who have no money and cannot buy food every day.
Ah, so we feel hungry to understand how poor people feel.
Exactly. And number two, you tell him it is a holy month. It teaches us self-control.
Wait, Adam, what does holy mean?
This means very special for Allah, God, and full of peace and good things.
I love that. It is a holy month to remember poor people. That is beautiful English.
Yes, it is. Now let's go to the third situation. The coworker understands now. He is happy. He wants to be your friend. He wants to greet you.
How does a foreigner greet me in Ramadan? What should he say?
He will ask you. He will say, Sarah, what do I say to you in this month? Happy Ramadan?
Is Happy Ramadan correct?
Yes, Happy Ramadan is very good. It is easy. Everyone understands it.
Are there other ways to say it?
Yes, you can tell him to say, have a blessed Ramadan.
Wait, Adam, what does blessed mean?
This means having good things from God, like peace, health, and happiness.
I love that. Have a blessed Ramadan. That sounds very warm and kind. I will teach this to my friends.
Good. Now let's talk about the hard part of Ramadan.
Oh, the afternoon.
Yes, it is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. You are still at work. You did not drink coffee. You did not eat breakfast or lunch. How do you feel?
I feel very tired. My head hurts. I have no energy.
Wait, what does energy mean? This means the power in your body to move, work, talk, and run.
Okay, so my body has no power. The coworker looks at me. He says, Sarah, you look very tired. Are you okay?
What do you say? You want to be honest, but you don't want to complain.
I don't know. What do I say?
You can talk about your body and your mind. You say, I am tired physically, but I am strong spiritually.
Wait, Adam, what does physically mean?
This means about the body, your arms, your legs, your stomach.
Okay, my body is tired. And what does spiritually mean?
This means about the feeling inside your heart, the feeling of being close to God.
Wow, that is very deep English. I am tired physically, but I am strong spiritually.
Yes, or you can say something easier. You can say, my body is tired, but my mind is happy.
I like that. It is simple. My body is tired, but my mind is happy.
The coworker will listen to this. He will respect you very much. He will say, you are very strong, Sarah.
That makes me feel good, even if I am hungry.
Now the sun is going down. It is almost sunset. It is time for the best part of the day.
Iftar.
Yes, iftar. And you want to do something nice for your coworker. You want to invite him to iftar.
How do I invite an American or English friend to iftar?
You use a very polite question. You say, would you like to join me for iftar today?
Would you like to join me for iftar today? That is easy. But what if he asks, what is iftar?
You explain it simply. You say, it is the meal we eat at sunset. We break the fast.
Wait, Adam, what does break mean here? Like breaking a window?
Now, here, this means to stop fasting and start eating food again.
Ah, so we stop the fast. We break the fast.
Exactly. And you can tell him iftar is not just food, it is a big gathering.
Wait, what does gathering mean?
This means many people coming together in one place to sit, talk, eat, and be happy.
I love gatherings, families and friends sitting together. So I tell my coworker, come and see our gathering?
Yes, and foreigners love this. They love to see the culture. They will say, yes, thank you. I would love to join you.
That is a beautiful way to end the day. You teach them English and you teach them about Ramadan.
Exactly, Sarah. We learned a lot today. Let's do a quick test. Are you ready?
I am ready. Ask me.
Okay, I am your American friend. I say, Sarah, do you want a piece of cake? What do you say?
I say, thank you so much. That is very kind, but I am fasting.
Very good. Next question. I say, why do you fast?
I say, it is a holy month. We learn self-control and we remember poor people.
Perfect. Next, I say, you look tired today.
I say, my body is tired, but my mind is happy.
Excellent. Last question. You want me to eat with you at sunset. What do you say?
I say, would you like to join me for iftar today?
Sarah, you get 100%. You are ready for Ramadan.
Thank you, Adam. I feel very confident now. The English words are simple, but they are very useful.
That is the secret of Snack English. Simple words for real life. Sarah, I have a very funny story. It happened to me last year.
Oh, I love your funny stories, Adam. Did it happen at work?
No, it happened in my house. It was the second day of Ramadan.
Okay, the second day. You were still getting used to fasting.
Exactly. I woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I was very, very sleepy.
Because you woke up early for suhoor?
Yes, my eyes were half closed. I walked from my bedroom to the kitchen. I did not think about Ramadan. I did not think about fasting.
Oh no, I know what is going to happen.
My body was moving on autopilot.
Wait, Adam, what does autopilot mean?
This means doing something without thinking, like a machine, because you do it every day.
Ah, like when you walk to the bathroom in the dark, your body just knows the way.
Exactly. So, on autopilot, I took my favorite cup, I put coffee in it, I poured hot water.
Adam, you made coffee? But the sun was up.
I know, but my brain was still sleeping. The coffee smelled delicious.
Did you drink it? Please tell me you didn't drink it.
I held the warm cup in my hands. I closed my eyes. I brought the cup to my mouth. I was ready to take a sip.
Wait, what does sip mean?
This means to drink a very small amount of water or coffee slowly.
Okay, so you were ready to drink a small amount of coffee. Your lips were on the cup.
Yes, my lips touched the cup, and suddenly my phone rang loudly. Ring, ring, ring.
Oh my goodness! Who was calling you at 7 in the morning?
I opened my eyes quickly. I put the cup on the table. I answered the phone. It was my mother.
What did she say?
She said, "Good morning, Adam. How is your fast today?"
That is the best timing in the world.
I looked at the hot coffee on the table. I froze. I was in complete shock.
What does shock mean?
This means a sudden and very big feeling of surprise.
You were surprised because you almost broke your fast.
Yes, I said, "Mom, I am very good, and you just saved my fast."
Did you tell her about the coffee?
I told her. She laughed for 5 minutes.
Habit is a very strong thing, Adam. Your brain wanted its morning coffee.
Yes, after that day, I put a big paper on my kitchen door. The paper says, "Adam, stop. You are fasting."
That is a great idea. A warning sign for your brain.
Yes, so, friends listening, be careful in the morning. Do not let your autopilot break your fast.
Now our friends listening can practice too.
Yes, you can listen to this podcast again. You can listen to this podcast again. Repeat the sentences with us. Open your mouth and speak.
Don't be shy. If a foreigner talks to you, smile and use these sentences.
Thank you for joining our gathering today on Snack English.
We hope you have a blessed Ramadan.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.